Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record a screen with audio on iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, you have to swipe down the control center from the top right corner of your iPad and then tap on the screen recording icon. If you don't see it here, tap the plus icon in the top left corner of your control center, select Edit Control, and then select Screen Recording. This way you will add one more screen recording icon to your grid. And if you tap on it, once the countdown ends, your screen recording will begin. By default, you will record all the system audio, excluding your microphone, so you will not hear yourself on the recording, only the things that are happening within your iPad. So if you play a video and record it, you will also be able to hear the sound of the video on the recording. To stop the recording, you have to tap the red icon in the top right corner of the screen, then click stop. And if you want to enable the microphone next time before starting the recording, you have to hold your finger down on the recording icon and then tap on the microphone and turn it on. Okay, so now we're recording both the system audio and my speech. By default, all of your screen recordings will be saved to your Photos application. And here are the two that we just recorded. This recording doesn't have my voice in it, only the system audio, which wasn't present as well. And in this recording, we should be able to hear on the microphone and turn it on. So yeah. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.